Talia and welcome to my cooking show. I have never cooked before and I want to share this experience with you guys, but I don't really know how. So that's why I have my trusty helper, Daddy, here to help me. So let's get right into it. Before we start, I'm learning from this cookbook. We can put it down below. But first, I want to ask you to like and subscribe to this channel. And it'll be super nice of you guys. So let's get right into it.
All right, what are we cooking? What are we cooking today, Talia?
We are cooking a cheese omelet. Here are the ingredients. All you need is some cheese and some eggs. You can do how many ever eggs you want. But we're going to just do 2 eggs because that's my favorite, and I'm going to be eating this for lunch. So.
Okay, what's the first thing we need to do when we cook?
So, the first thing we need to do when we cook is wash our hands.
Okay, so we're going to pause the video while we go wash our hands.
Okay. Wash my hands. So, what you're going to need to do this is a whisk because once you crack your eggs, you're going to need to whisk them together. As I said, you can do 1 egg, 2 eggs, 3 eggs. But I'm going to be doing 2 eggs because I'm going to be eating this for lunch, as I said. So let's get right into cracking the eggs. So I'm going to put my bowl right here.
Oh, I think it's better on the side. We could see it where it was before.
Alrighty. I did not know that. Now this is my first video, so I might be a little shaky, but that's okay because, as my dad said, this is my first video. Ooh, and we have just enough eggs. 2. Now I'm going to need to wash my hands after this, so we're going to pause the video again so I can wash my hands. So you're going to need a crack, and then you're going to put your hands right in the crack and open up the egg and put it in, and then you're just going to throw it in your garbage disposal.
We're going to get a different view over here.
Now I'm going to do that same thing again. Oh, this is a cracked egg.
That's a cracked egg?
Yep.
Okay. I'll go to the fridge and get some more.
I have the other egg carton. Now I will crack my other egg. I'll just take this one. Well, it looks the cleanest to me. So I'll do that same thing. Hold the crack. Eek, that was harder. But I did it. Now you gotta look in there. And I see a little bit of eggshell. Could you get that for me, Daddy?
I sure can. Let me just pause.
Okay. False alarm, that was not eggshell. So now we're gonna whisk the eggs with our whisk. Now is it whisking up?
That looks good.
Okay, so I'll put my whisk in here. Now we're gonna pour this on the pan, but first we have to get.
Not quite yet.
Oh yeah, we have
So
to
here's
spray.
the next thing you need to do.
You need
is
to spray the pan.
Spray the pan.
No, I'm not very good at this. So
Remember to hold it not toward your face.
I know. Just in front of my face.
Try shaking it up first, okay?
You're gonna probably nice.
Get it all over the pan. And what's that doing?
That is making the egg not stick.
Okay.
Because if it sticks, then you can't get it off.
All right. It's not quite all over the pan. Can I help you out here?
Yep.
Okay.
I'll bring my trusty stool over here. So we have a sprayed pan, we have some eggs, we have our cheese, and we have our trusty green spatula. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this right here.
Well, not quite yet. You want to take the pan off. You want to light up the stove first.
So what you're gonna do to light it, you need parent supervision for this. If you're probably like my age, which is 8, you're gonna need to push it in. If you have this kind of stove, push, go to light, and then what I want to go to medium.
Put it in between medium and high. Eggs should be cooked on medium high.
I don't know what that is. Here?
Not quite on high, not quite on medium.
Here?
Yep, right there. That's perfect.
Alrighty. So now I'm gonna put my pan right here. You want it in the center. So I think.
Right. We're gonna let that. We're gonna let that heat up. We're gonna let that heat up.
Like me, I'm gonna heat up. I'm gonna jump rope.
Then how do you know when it's hot enough?
Now put your hand over.
Right, not
now
too
it's
close.
warm. It's not gonna be warm. So now what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take my eggs very carefully. I don't want to get burnt. I'm gonna pour them on the pan. Let them spread everywhere. Let them go where they want. Going to the store. Going everywhere.
Going to the store.
Or in quarantine, so they can't. But
all right. Remember to hold the pan with one hand and the spatula with the other.
Push. Ooh, it's working.
And what do? You pull it to the center and then you tip it, right?
Pull it to the center. Tip. Pull it to the side. Tip. Pull it to that side. Tip. Pull it to this side. Tip.
Nice. And what's happening to the eggs?
We're getting scrambled.
They're cooking. That's right.
Cooking. Now I'm just gonna save that. I'm gonna let them move around a little bit. Now what do I do,
Make
Daddy?
sure to get it in the center. It's not quite in the center. Move the pan into the center. You're not cooking the whole eggs there. There you go.
Now what do I do, Daddy?
We'll keep doing that until it's mostly cooked.
Then we need to sprinkle the cheese on. Since I do have cheesy omelet. Now, I believe it is cooked enough that we can put the cheese on.
Okay. So grab your cheese.
I'll put that right there. I'm gonna grab my cheese. It's in a bowl like other cooking shows, but this is kind of on YouTube, so it's half show, half videos.
Why don't you just dump it all on?
Okay.
There you go. It's a nice cheesy omelet.
Now,
Okay, now what do you do?
you're gonna take spatula, get it under. Then, whenever you're ready, flip.
Fold it in half. There you go.
No, I know
Alright,
you can see the cheese.
Why don't you turn the temperature down on the heat? Or you can turn it off all the way, actually.
There we go. I'll just let it crackle.
All right, don't leave the spatula in there because you don't want it to burn.
Yeah, I don't want it to burn, so I'll just put it right here. Spatula. Now I'm gonna put my monkey plate here.
Okay. Is it ready?
What?
Is it ready?
Yeah, it's ready.
Okay.
Okay. Ooh, God.
Careful.
This is scary. Scary as always. Some things are just a little scary for me. Alrighty.
Nice
There
job.
you have it, ladies and gentlemen. A perfect
All right, why don't you put it at the table and give it a
Now I'm
quick
going
taste.
to taste test my beautiful omelet. So let's get
This is my favorite part, by the way.
because you actually get to eat the omelet.
Oh yeah. I love cooking it, but I love eating them even more.
Is this part raw?
No, it's cooked all the way. You did a great job.
Now I'm going to eat it. That's good. That's awesome.
Is it excellent?
Good one, yeah, it is. A little hot. But thank you guys so much for watching my channel. As I said, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I love you all, and bye! Hey, yo, I just went to Starbucks, and I got the most delicious stuff. I got a coffee and a donut. Bam, bam. I'll post this on Twitter or Catnip.